Now is available at McCarthy Cars, BMW S6 xDrive 4-wheel drive 3-liter diesel, 13 plate 2013, metallic red. Car has front daylights, has front parking sensors, has 20-inch alloy wheels. It's got side steps, roof rails. Car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera. Has split folding rear seats. Electric tailgate. Full cream leather interior. It's got side and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX. 4 electric windows. Got electric and folding mirrors. Fully electric seats. Front auto headlights. Has heads-up display. Has satellite navigation. Has reversing camera. Telephone, Bluetooth connection. Has DAB radio. Jukebox. AUX. Bluetooth audio. Push button to start. 2-zone climate control aircon. Automatic transmission. Multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control, speed limiter, paddle shift. Thank you for watching.